Tired of endlessly scrolling through job boards with no results? Let's navigate the Canadian Job Bank together and find you the perfect opportunities. First, let's get you set up so you can start applying. Begin by heading to the Canadian Job Bank website through your preferred search engine. Look for the official Government of Canada job search portal. Once on the homepage, you should consider creating a profile. Creating a profile allows you to save your searches and often allows you to auto-populate your resumes for quick application submission. Once you've signed up or logged in, it is time to optimize your job search profile. Start by filling out your profile information, where you will need to include your contact information, education history, and work experience. Job Bank has numerous prompts to assist you in inputting your information. The more detailed your profile, the better aligned you will be with job postings. It will also demonstrate more information about you to potential employers. Now, the exciting part: finding jobs. You'll see a search bar. That's where the magic happens. Be specific. Use precise keywords related to the jobs you want, like registered nurse, software developer, or construction worker. Next, select your desired location. You can sort your search results by date, relevance, and salary. You may also use the filters to easily narrow your search results. Once you've identified a job that sparks your interest, click on the job posting to review its details. Review the job description, the information about the company, and salary. Once you're happy with the job, it's time to begin your application. Job Bank will tell you how to submit your resume. Carefully follow the instructions on how to submit your resume to ensure you fulfill all the criteria employers are requesting. Remember to always tailor your application to the specific job. Good luck and get ready to find that next career step. Just search online. #JobBank, #job search.